Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to set or how to change the settings of your front camera to be mirror or unmirror. So to do that, you just need to open the settings. Most of us prefer to have mirror front camera so that we can mirroring ourselves into our phone. To do that, you just need to open the settings and find the camera sections. And here is the camera, so you just need to click them to open it. Now you just need to take a look on the second boxes, which is the compositions. If you want to make your front camera to be mirror, you just need to make sure that this button is on. But then if you don't want that the front camera to be unmirror, you just need to turn it off. So here I already turned off the mirror camera. I will like to show you the result whenever I turn it off. So now your camera, basically your front camera will be unmirror. So when you take your picture, it will be converted. But then whenever you change the settings to be mirror, here is the result. Take the picture again, and your camera or your photo result which is the same as what you see at the front camera. So that is the way, guys, how to set your camera to be mirror or unmirror on an iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.